This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 19 of building the Transformers Optimus Prime. We'll look at Maggie, first of all. Remember her? No real strong memories of Maggie. I'm sure she's had an important part to play. Inseparable companions. See how inseparable they really are. Astro Train. In vague memory, but not really anything strong on that. No. Series 4 of Autobots again. Yeah. Pretty sure that's after my time, but you can see all about those. Read those if you like. Then we're getting on with the right leg. We've got a big plastic bit, and we've got some disassembly to do before we attach the foot to the leg, and then put it all back together again. So yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. It really coming together. I mean, the leg's more than half of his body, but it's still huge. So looking forward to that. Let's get into it. Right. So apart from the leg, which obviously we've been building up, these are the parts from today. Interesting, unusual looking part. Some other pieces, some hinge and bits. But first of all, we're going to be using those, I think. Let's move that all out of the way. Don't need that yet either. But we do need the foot. Remember that from way back when. We've been building this up for quite a while. We've got to do some manipulation with that to add a couple of bits and take a couple of bits off. We need to hinge this down, get rid of this cover. Now, there we go. So yeah, that cover comes off of there, but then this stop goes down on there as well somewhere. Go down underneath in there. Not entirely certain. It's showing it as down there somewhere, but it's shaped. It's got to go down in there by the looks of it. Can I do that? Oh, I've knocked another bit off. Right, I don't think that's exactly where it needs to be, but it's about there. Then we need to take this off, which it says you might need to take off with a flat-bladed screwdriver. I've taken that bit off already. I don't like disassembling things. And I get why they tell us to put it together, but I don't like it. Why do we have to take things apart when I've already built them? It should be built and that's it. Put that back on there. Like that. So we need the bar is going to go through here. And this is going to hold everything together on there. So I need to get that the right way around, obviously, as well. That's going to go there. That's going to go through there. Oh, right. So it's going to end up through there. So we'll still get some rotation at the ankle. That's quite cool. That down in there a little bit further. And then that goes in. There we go. And that will pop through like that. Then we can get wherever it is, the bit that I took off. There it is. That will go on there, and that will stop the bar from coming back out again. So yes, there we have it. We've got the knee joint working and doing things. The ankle has some rotation there, and obviously the foot itself has got that movement as well. Right, let me get that down, get that where it should be, and make sure this is all as it should be, and then we'll move on to the next bit. Right, that's the leg assembled as best I can. We've got some other bits to put together here. We've got a little round bit that goes onto that post. That post and then that post join up thusly and through there. Just sort of go next to each other. And that goes through from that side. Does it? I can't tell from the angle which side. Right, we've got two plugs there that have got to go through there. Pretty sure they're going to have to go through there from that side, aren't they? I'm not using completely the wrong end, am I? No. Yeah, that's going to go through there like that. And it's going to do the same on the other side. Then they are going to attach onto the leg, and the other ends of them are held in place with these screws. We're on the leg at the back. So here we have that. Yeah, the screws are going to go there, and they're going to go in there. But that sort of holds in place a little bit like that. That will do the same on that side. But really, it's the screw that's holding it together. Through there. And then through there. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to hold this and do this. So, yeah. Right, I shall get those two screws in. And then this piece goes over the back over there as well. So let's get this together and then I'll attach that and show you what it looks like. Yep, there we go. That's that. There's held in place securely. This one is just the one pin that holds this in place at the moment. But I'm sure that more will attach, obviously, to these outside pieces in the upcoming week or issue. So that one goes on there a bit like that. It's going to push in a little bit further than that anyway, but you can still see all the detail that we've just put in there nicely on the back. So, yes, one leg. It's already too big, but it's lovely. I do like it. It's a beautiful thing. It's all coming together very, very nicely. So that's that. One more issue in this delivery. So I shall see you for that very soon. And other than that, stay safe. Bye-bye for now.